Lift through your pelvic floor as you bring the arms out to the side. There's no strain in the lower back. And down. Gazing pose, lift. And fall. Right leg down. And then almost feel as if you're stepping forwards into that front foot. And lift the back leg up. It's floating up to the sky. There's no weight in it. Lift up through your pelvic floor. Lift the chest. Picture a pigeon, can't you, with his chest pushing out. If this is too much, keep the hands here. Reach down. You can feel it right here, right in the bottom of the lower back. Feel comfortable. Gather the arms up. Want to do it. You know, it's a good thing the body is releasing. Okay.